Welcome home. This is your country estate in Central Florida. We are in Dunnellon, and this is a fantastic property on acreage, 2.37 acres, almost 2.5 acres, to stretch out, have all the wonderful country lifestyle things that you desire. It's in a very peaceful area, no deed restrictions, do as you please. So I want to show you the house first, and we've come in the back door, which you saw the beautiful deck, wood deck there. It's a big deck overlooking bird feeders and trees and all kinds of beautiful scenery. And then you come in here and you've got the laundry room right there as you walk in, very convenient, and an open kitchen. Look at all of the cabinetry in this kitchen. Wood cabinets, tons of them, so plenty of storage. You've got the gas range, that is a propane tank. So there's a tank for the house, and there's also a tank for the generator, which you will see when we walk outside. The generator has its own propane tank. Nice living area, beautiful storm door there, and also if you notice there's transom windows above many of the windows in the kitchen, here, and everywhere where those are, they do have shades, so you can block that sun coming in. If it was me, I would keep those open and let that natural light flow throughout. So you get even more light if you had those opened up. So here we are in the primary suite. This one does not have the shade on that transom window, so you are getting that beautiful light coming in. But big, lovely windows in this house, so it feels very airy, spacious, open. Ensuite bathroom, very nicely appointed. It's got the shower and a walk-in closet here. There is a water heater right behind this door here that's sealed off, but so you have your water heater right at your primary bathroom, so that's also a very nice thing. This house is 1,040 square feet. It was built in 2010, so it's really a younger house, and it's very well put together. There are 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms. So this is one of the guest bedrooms. Each bedroom has a built-in closet. They're fairly deep, so you've got some storage room, and that is one of the things that amazed me about this property is the amount of storage. Lots of cabinets like this. We saw the one in the laundry room. We've got another cabinet like this here for linen storage. There's also a cabinet just like this in the kitchen. They've got the pull-out drawers, so it's easy access to everything that you need to store and retrieve. Guest bathroom here, tub shower combo in this bathroom. And then the 3rd bedroom with, again, another built-in closet, nice and deep. So not a huge footprint, but very well laid out so that you can be organized and have all the space that you need. Now there's some extra surprises you're really going to love. So as we step outside, I do want to tell you that the house does have a water filtration system and a water softener. So it is on a well and septic tank, but you have that extra upgrades for the water. Beautiful skirting with the rock decor on the skirting to make it dress it up, give it some more curb appeal. And then look at this great vinyl fenced yard. So if you've got the little furry friends, this is a great place for them to run outside and play, and you don't have to worry. But beyond the vinyl fence, you have, again, almost 2.5 acres total. You can see the posts there. There's not actually a side fence installed right now, but there are posts there that show you the separation of the property line between the neighboring property, and then there's a back fence with a buffer of trees behind it. So nice privacy. You've got a buffer of trees over here on this sideline as well, so it's very private. But check this out. This is your 1,800 square foot workshop, garage, RV barn, whatever you need it to be. 2 10-foot bay openings and 1 12-foot bay opening. So if you've got the big bus, you travel You can pull that right in the middle there, and I'll take you inside. You'll see how much space you have to work with in here. This shop has everything that a shop needs. It is heavily insulated. It's got its own electric panel, great lighting, concrete pad here, so you're not sitting on a dirt floor, you're on the concrete. And you've got all kinds of extras. Workshop here, side door. You've got 2 side exterior doors, and then these big roll-up doors we talked about. So, pretty cool space. If you've got hobbies, or, you know, if you're gonna do any kind of farming, this type of property, this type of building is really almost a must-have in my opinion. You know, you're gonna have a tractor. You want to have a building to keep the tractor in. Probably going to have some dump type pull around things that you can drive around the acreage and clean things up. I mean, you can have a chicken set up here if you want to do that, chicken coop. You could have goats. You can do anything you want here. So that barn could be very, very functional for so many different things. So then in addition to that, we actually have 2 sheds, and this is the first of the 2. I have not shown you the one that's by the driveway. We'll go back there. But this one here is a very nice size. These are both 12 by 20 sheds. They both have electric. This one has an air conditioner as well. So you could put an air conditioner in the other one if you wanted also. But a nice little hobby room, storage, and it's nice to have the air conditioning when you've got a property like this and you're out working the land, tending to the animals, and you can pop into a building like that shed with the AC. Boy, that's helpful. Lets you cool off for a minute. We're in Florida. I mean, if you live in Florida, you have to love the sun. You have to love the warmth because we're warm almost all year round, but you do want to recover from it sometimes. So it can be really nice to have spaces like that, even just for the recovery before you go back to the house. I'll tell you what though, this house, I wish you could feel the temperature in the house. It is so cool when you walk inside. It really feels good. Just turning the lights off here so I don't forget. And then you can see out there, there's another shed. So there's no need to fight over sheds. You've got 2 of them already. And you know, it can be split up for different purposes, different uses, and works out really well. So this property just functions incredibly with everything that it has. See the nice driveway? It winds through the trees to get back here to this house tucked back. Very friendly neighbors, so while you're out in the country, you still have the comfort of having neighbors that look out for each other. But you're separated enough you don't feel like you're on top of anybody. And then right there is another storage shed that we're going to walk to. Now as we walk past, you see the generator there. That propane tank goes to the generator. And then the little building there is the well house. So the pump and tank are in that building. And then right here is the secondary shed. So check this out. So this one does not have the air conditioner. It does have the electric, and it has a little refrigerator. So you can get your refreshments in this shed. Another roll-up door there, of course. So if you're looking for country living, this is a really fantastic package. And to reconstruct all of this is not cheap today. So it's quite a deal. If you're interested in more information, I welcome you to please reach out to me or anyone on my team. I'm Ruth Squires with eXp Realty, and we are RES Luxury Group. We bring you white glove service and red carpet treatment because your satisfaction is our guarantee. Give us a call at 352-794-1426. Talk to you soon.